CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kumbajule manausnem ka Umseiñïong Youth Welfare Organization kalapanlong biang ya ka School Sports Meet 2026. Ya ka balapanway no ha ka santarik ujamang arajar arpun rio. Ha ka ni ka jingila ka sports kabada ki pautali ki school kathan kila wani shimenta. Lapanlong ha Marbañiang Umseiñïong Football Ground kababaro ki jukot ka Madan Ïasit. Kidan bonjat ki jingya ko bila ka kum ki race but ru ki relay race. Na bentagi kena gentai bat kena senrang. Kata kan riu meter, 6 meter, 4 meter, riu 4 meter, bat 6 kilometer. Na bentagi above 16, under 16, but under 14. Ka high jump, long jump, drill display, march pass, bat ru ka football. Hag under 14 ka Pomlom Higher Secondary School Banyun kala job persya ya ka Ramkrishna Mission Melim. Hagaliang gigintai ka St. Paul Higher Secondary School Marbisu kala job persya ya ka Yorenghep Secondary School Maunyang La. Haga drill display naman tagi senrang bat kentai ka Springtime Secondary School Sado kala yo ya ka nam la do bot sa da ka Right Sado Lajem Secondary School bat ka Pomlom Higher Secondary School. Haga march pass naman tagi senrang ka Springtime Secondary School Sado kala yo ya ka nam best contingent bat ka song pisa ka ba Shipho Hajar tengka bot sa da ka Sengkasi Higher Secondary School Marbisu bat ka Pomlom Higher Secondary School. Hagaliang gigintai jong a march pass pat ka St. Paul Higher Secondary School Marbisu kala job ya ka nam best contingent bat ka song pisa ka Shipho Hajar tengka bot sa da ka Sengkasi Higher Secondary School Marbisu bat ka Springtime Secondary School Sado.
committee members. The Commander Stevenson Merthong and the flag bearer Malvin D. Sinha. And these are from the next contingent is Senkasi Higher Secondary School, Marbasu, with LD Star Soton as the placard bearer, Banskembor Karari as the commander, and Shining Star Kurba as the flag bearer, a confident and disciplined staff. The next contingent we have the Yerangham Secondary School, Maonyangla, led by Ban Penpiang Karkomor as the placard bearer, Session Marbañiang as the Army Wanlang Paumoy Loverson as the flag bearer. Strong and impressive. Approaching to the saluting point, we have Bami Yaili Bhalamske as the commander and Madan Johnson as the flag bearer. Well coordinated. Approaching to the saluting point, we have the Ritmauniu UP SSA School Ritmauniu, led by Virat Gyangpor Kharsadi as the placard bearer, Ishwari Nokri as the commander, and Madan Johnson as the flag bearer. Keep the spirits high. Approaching to the saluting point, we have St. Paul's Higher Secondary School, Marbasu, led by Domakansai Kurba as the placard bearer. Approaching to the saluting point, we have Senkasi Higher Secondary School, Marbasu, led by Wansuhi Kurba as the placard bearer, Rika Daimaya Kurba as commander, and Kiva. Approaching to the saluting point, we have Yerangham Secondary School, Maonyangla, led by Rakina Longklao as the placard bearer, Balawansa Karmamor as the commander, and Yurika Longklao as the flag bearer. Vertical synchronization. By one Elizabeth Muthao as the placard bearer, Aimee Marbañiang Kongsar as the commander, and Resmita Leroy as the flag bearer. Impressive coordination. Approaching to the saluting point, we have the Ritmauniu UP SSA School Ritmauniu, led by Sofina Siason as the placard bearer, Damapi Marbañiang as the commander, Time Secondary School Sado, led by Bayamodlang Harvey as the placard bearer, Vidika Sen as commander, and Develarine Kurba as the flag bearer, marching with confidence. St. Paul's Higher Secondary School, Marbasu, led by Alviudarine Thaba as the placard bearer, Sonia Retapiang as the commander, and Catherine Carolyn Thaba as the flag bearer. Malim Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, Malim, led by Ri Banisha Warang as the placard bearer, Ibandari Janai Lamari as commander, and Salimi Daka Dongplo as the flag bearer. Well disciplined. The NBC Multi-Purpose Higher Secondary School, Maungam, led by J.P. Bandetrim as the placard bearer, Matti Shishar Kurba as the commander, and Banainam Prem as the flag bearer.
Secretary to the Shongkun Youth Welfare Organizations. Kadon mali thuk khndiat. Baga Shongkun Youth Welfare Organization kastang yakne ke inter school, ke free inter school football atas dam arhajar arfuar. Atas sen ke malikong kemistang iram pelong swa tang ke football. Nimbat dan kiwe pat menta. Andre habang i bagi school i respond ha i simanta sikhan habang ide bagane cimpel long kicengi kumta ilang penha sisu yakane kacing pelong kicengi akabang ila puru saka sports feeds kebaga ni pelong ya field and track events nangta ni pelong ya ka drill display bagi match pass bagi dapat kecing sopan wa crowd bagi long kibayan bagi menti hakili kisdem kibalek no but iyo berpedang lagu Islam sekolah Islam. Andai dia tamu di Islam aja afsan kami ikimio siu ekon pelong. Kadang kami ikimio ekon pelong. Kalau nama bangi kum kesan senang youth welfare connection. Idon ya kapan rakhe ya kesilva jubli. Kabangi punya ya ketika way tersebut elephant pole something. Kaya kadang ikimio siu ekon pedang ya kene Islam aja afsan. But Isoplan bahkan Islam arajar fundri iyo benteng yang kene ka free inter school football kami iyo ka fourth SSYWO free inter school knockout football tournament and sports meet arajar fundri kene ka sing pelong ti ka fourth SSYWO free inter school ye hakane ka Islam kidon khandro teli school kibra simbanta ha football But atli ki school ke simanta ke sports ke field and track events nangta santli ki school ki ba simanta ke drill display but haga match pass ki don khat ngriutli ki contingent ki ba kan thup ye kan thai ba ki sinrang te ka chingtmo changi kum ka seng abagi pelong ye kine ke free inter school ka penutong galong ba ikwa kan pelong bagi school ki badan kini ki dong ki thang ki chungi nado lomo ba ter sadu chmo phang mangam mo phang bakum chodo sam lat nang kot mau chong bakin dong ki nyo ya kalat ya ka bini simenta ya ka bagi pelongi da ka free inter school non chudon mano pelong ye kini ki inter school hakini ki dong ki thang chi tukum ka seng ngile sing ya karai bagin pelong ye kene ka free inter school khanang begini ki school akini ki jong ki thang chugi kinyo ye ka bani simmental lailo khamdon kam kano ki jing seu te bat ha ki chu ka poru ban ala di khna chugi ki jong ka thang chugi bagi kin teu bagin ang teu ka sport akabai ki jong ye ka sat amun ka teu ye ka sport nakawai ka nang chakoi pat Kada kecing pelong ciki kumde, kiyo ya kalat, ya kebun penpau, ya la kesat ke phong ciki, kamu kita naki. Maka bahat, kabagi pelong ini, lagi, ya kan ikas cingkai sports kalau ba, inonra, ya kecing acang. Apa yang di school baru kibulan kini kedong maka thang kecengi, bikin dong kecing itu itau, para school, kinden kecing itu itau, pat kina school, kinden kecing itu itau, pat ki baki nang ikai kinder kici itu ikau laga wei school sabo wei pan tekum joro kabalai pat kabangi dang kici tumu pelong ba in pelong ya kina ontang ha kici pule bagi don kam abaki lex ke school andai kalong do iki bagi don kam pan e ya ka sport mama laga pi e ya ka sport hinyo ya ka bet ka bapat ka bakya ka ha kici im go cipi kamongan laksi pada kecil kaporo, lagi cing isim benda jumpi, lagi cing jumpi ke sports, penlagu, lagi cing pensoi, buat lagi no kita ikan kita snew, kita celai ha, haki ni kisi kita, hantar le, haki ni kipor kisi kita, kacing celai, kacing drugs, kacing bangia, haki mobile phone, kalau celai ha tu kata, ponsin, himdon posyo, balai hendak dapat kita, haki cing ya ke sport. Ila mengklet kita, ila berisim mentah hagi sport mengklet tu, ya kita ki pro.
Kita sing please.
Can you come and collect your voices?
Dapi tarai kan ni kapisa. Kali jauh kan ni? Ba, ke hospital tika laj ngai nang ni.
Binti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu. What was laitan?
Sister, hap siu kat nama?
Ka sarkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo.
Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsim ka long ka koridor.